but English is not essential for that the time. And other side, there is many grocery shops.
Yes.
There is all the things we can buy. There is a rickshaw puller. We can talk with him in Bangla, not English. So I think that English is not very important. And after all, our curriculum system, we read in there in Bangla. But when the subject English, we can write there only English. But other subject we can read it in Bangla, not English.
Okay.
So I said that Bangla is very important and Bangla is the better.
But
than
I
English.
see your T-shirt have already English. So how can you say that English is not the important language? And also, when we go to doctor also writes a paper in English, and you don't understand because you are Bengali. And also, Bangla is not so important language because you say that in rickshaw is a Japani word, not an English word and not a Bangla word. So how can you say that is Bangla is so important for us?
Okay, my dear opposition member.
I don't finish my talk.
Okay.
And also in higher book, also example of medical, also example of engineering books, this is also English. And when we go to BCS exam, our teachers also ask any question English, and you don't know what is English. I don't speak English, so
But
you don't answer it.
Can I talk?
Yes.
Finish.
You said that about the BCS questions.
Yes.
The BCS question, all our question is not written in English.
But when we go to interview, also our interview teachers also ask any question.
That
in
is
English.
for your judgment of your ability. Not this is not the topic of English or Bangla.
So you
He can judge you to give you the job. And after all, you said that.
But my dear opposition member, let me finish. Let me finish. My dear opposition member, you said that first of all in his T-shirt there have the English word.
Yes.
Okay, my dear opposition member, do you know about this T-shirt? This is the American brand. Okay, not Bangladeshi. American
This
brand.
is also American. This American is also English.
Okay, English is also American is also English. But I like American this brand. That's why I take this T-shirt. But and next this time you said that rickshaw.
Yes.
Rickshaw is not English, not Bengali. This is Japanese. So you can tell it that Japanese language is so good. Why you talk with us in English?
So brother, you said that Bangla is also important.
Yeah.
Do you use the pen?
Yeah.
This is a Bangla means a column.
Okay.
This is a totally wrong.
Okay.
This is a Farsi word. Column is a Farsi word. This
Okay.
is not a Bangla word.
Okay.
So how can you say that
What is the Bengali meaning of column?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
So how can you tell it
I
that?
like English.
How can you tell it that this pen Bengali meaning is not column? How can you tell it? And my dear opposition member, please, my dear opposition,
and also Google said that this is a
let me
Farsi
finish.
word.
Let me
This is a
finish.
Farsi
My
word.
dear opposition member, do you know what?
Yes, this is a English word.
Okay, you.
And this is have also English.
Okay, every time you don't use this. That's was. You said that ghori.
I don't this one.
How can you tell it? You live in Bangladesh. Oh, why you live in? You can go America, you can go London. Why you come here?
Because this is my mother land.
So you said that this is your motherland. So how can you tell? Let me finish.
Our
Please
president
let me
also
finish.
use the English.
Okay, you
Can I
okay?
say something?
Okay, you can.
If I got the opportunity to say to go foreign, I will go. And also your brother said that about the ability. Okay, in your thought, you said that English increases our ability. So of course, English is the best language.
So you said that English increases our ability, but I have not said that. I
You
have said that we got the subject and then we